and millets are very popular. They need less water, less sunlight and less moisture compared to other plants. And they can be grown in any type of form. Like even in our history, it's recapped that millet, before the Green Revolution, rice was on the rise. And even from India after independence, it had a very unfertile and a bare land.
Yes.
So millets were grown there and farmers used to eat millets with rice and different kinds of food.